In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft multiplayer is not working. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and search for view at network connections, find your network and go to properties, click on protocol version 4, use the following DNS and type in this DNS server, 8844, this one. Press OK and then see if it works after you've done this. Now if that doesn't work, what you can do is come here and search for Minecraft launcher, right click and go to app settings. In here, do this in the correct order, so press terminate, then press repair, then press reset. Once you've done that, you can see if it works now after doing this. Now if that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can come here and you can search for run, type in %app data %, press enter, and then you should have your Minecraft folder. You can delete this folder and it will reset your Minecraft. If you have anything you want to save, just open it, find your saves folder, copy, and then paste it here. Then you want to delete this folder, run Minecraft, and the folder will come back, and then you just put the saves folder in there again. Now this can also help fix the issue. Now the last thing is type in cmd, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space /+DNS. The next one is net sh space winsock space reset. Do this and then close it down. Then search for network reset. Open it up, reset now, and then restart your PC. Once you've done all of this, hopefully it should fix your issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.